In this video, I'll show you how to make $91 per hour watching videos, which is one of the best ways to make money online. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is how to earn $91 per hour watching videos. And if you're still not subscribed, please subscribe, because I post daily making money online videos to help you make money fast with the easiest tricks. So let's get into the video. So today, guys, this is the first website that we have today with us in this video. You're gonna get paid through PayPal. No gift cards, no anything, just PayPal. And most of you guys watching this video, you told me, man, we want a website that pays in PayPal. So you're actually gonna get paid by answering surveys, watching videos like I told you guys, and surfing the web and finding great deals, which is actually one of the best ways. Like, I have a friend that earns like $3,000 to $4,000 per month doing this trick and logging into this website by so many accounts and working so hard, answering surveys and all these things. So find and complete your mission from answering surveys, watching videos, watch your earnings grow in your account, cash out early, easily and often. So they cash out $10 at a time, which is good. And guys, I forgot to tell the name of the website. The name is Cash Kick. So guys, don't skip through this video, because there is another website that I'm going to show you right now. Don't skip through any video, because if you skipped any step, you may not earn so much money, because I'm giving you crazy tips through this video. If you're getting value out of this video, don't forget to share this video and comment below. Do more making money online videos so I could keep posting daily videos. The second website we have is called Creations Rewards. Creation Rewards actually pays you to do a lot of things. Let me show you guys. You're gonna do surveys, you're gonna shop online, watch videos, explore websites, try offers and much more. And a trick that I'm gonna show you guys right now is you are gonna create more than one account so you can earn so much money. So you're gonna redeem your points by Amazon.com, Walmart, redeem your points through PayPal. And guys, that's the most important thing that we wanna see right now is PayPal. So you're gonna get paid for doing surveys, watching videos, visit websites, online shopping, complete special offers, refer to friends and family. So guys, I prefer the first website because it pays a lot of money, Cash Kick. And the second website is good too, but Cash Kick is the best. So you're gonna create an account, log in, create an account, start earning money. And don't forget to share this video, comment below, do more making money online videos for daily content, and tell me what video do you want to see next, how do you want to earn your money. So yeah, see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.